We're beginning our voyage on the train to see Grandma. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're okay. We're in our own little room. A little table. And here's our view.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you having fun so far?
Yeah.
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 Awesome. We have the door closed so we don't bother anybody. And then later we're gonna take a nap.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I see Mama. I see Daddy.
Okay, what do you see, baby?
I see all the rocks.
You see all the rocks? What
Yeah.
else do you see?
I see what the trees.
Lots of trees.
Leave no shell unturned, no coral unexplored.
This is
Let no one in this
amazing.
kingdom sleep until
Can
she
I
is
go
safe
on
and home.
She wants to go on a boat.
this one?
And she's watching Little Mermaid. Are you watching Little Mermaid?
No.
Yeah, you are. Oh my gosh, how pretty. What did you say?
I'm really
You're
excited.
really excited because we turned our little room into a bed. And look, here's our view of the ocean. So beautiful. Is it beautiful, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see boats.
You see boats?
Yeah.
Are you having fun with mommy so far?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I see lots of boats.
You see lots of boats?
Yeah, I see
Awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Here's Malaya's nap time view. It's the ocean again.
I see ocean.
You see motion? Can I see your feet?
Happy.
Let's see your feet. Oh, there they are. Oh, hi. There's your little foot. Look how cute your little feet are. Good night, baby.
No.
Love you. Good morning, baby.
Morning.
Did you have happy sleep? Yeah. Malaya slept for 3 hours. You did a good job sleeping.
I see the cave in the mountain.
You see the cave in the mountain?
Yeah.
Wow.
Another one. Mountain, Mommy.
You do?
Yeah, we had to climb it.
We have to climb it? Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, we're gonna be so tired. Okay, Malaya, we'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Oh.
Aww, did you have fun?
Fun. I go see I had a day.
You had a good day?
Yeah, I had a day.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you for being such a good girl.
Thank you.
I love you.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Aww.